Morning students, as you know, I will take your online classes. Today we will start with the subject English, practice book, Crest, term 1. And today we will do page number 14, 15 and 16, chapter number 4, and the name of the chapter is Friendship. Chapter number 4, name of the chapter is Friendship. Worksheet 1. The first question is, read the passage and answer the questions. So we will start to read the passage. But before reading the paragraph, first we read the first fill in the blanks. It was a bright dash morning. What was it? It was a bright dash morning. Now we will come back on the passage. First line is the passage. First we read the first fill up. It was a bright dash morning. What was the fill up? It was a dash bright morning. It was a bright spring morning. First line is it was a bright spring morning. Then what will come in the first fill up? It was a bright spring morning. The answer is spring. Now second fill up is the sky was dash and dash was green. Now we will come on the second line. The sky was blue. The sky was blue and the grass was green. The grass was green. Then what will come in the second fill up? The sky was blue and the grass was green. Understand? Now we will read the third fill up. The garden had beautiful dash. The garden had beautiful dash. What is the third line of the passage? There was a light breeze blowing gently. There was a light breeze blowing gently. The garden had beautiful flowers. What the garden had? The garden had beautiful flowers. Then what will come in the third fill up? The garden had beautiful flowers. The answer is flowers. Now the fourth fill up is a little girl dash quietly. A little girl dash quietly. The next line of the paragraph is the birds were chirping sweetly in the trees. The birds were chirping sweetly in the trees. The bees and the butterflies were fluttering from one flower to another. The bees and the butterflies were fluttering from one flower to another. On such a lovely day, a little girl sat quietly. What I said? A little girl sat quietly in the garden. Now, what will come in the fill up? A little girl sat quietly. So, the answer is sat. Now, come to the next line. She had no one to play with. She had no one to play with. One by one, the birds came, the bees came, and the butterflies came to be the little girl's friends. To be the little girl's friends. Now the fill up is she was dash because she didn't have any friend. She was sad. Why she was sad? Because she not have any friends. Now the next line is the girl smiled and became very happy. Because she got the friends, that's why the girl was smiled and become very happy. She had so many friends. The girl smiled, became very happy. She had so many new friends now. Now she had so many new friends, and new friends are butterflies, bees, birds. So now the girl was happy. The next fill up is the birds, bees and dash came to be her friend. Who is friend? The friend is butterflies. Now the next fill up is in the end. The girl was happy because she had so many new what? Friends. So many new friends. Now our paragraph is complete. Now we will come on the next page. Page number 15 of practice book, same chapter 4. Name two things that are following shape. Look at the shape. You can tell me what is the first shape? The first shape is circle. What is the first shape? First shape is circle. Now tell me the things which are you seeing in your daily life. That is circle. That is coin. You see the coin in your mother's purse or father's pocket. Coin is in circle in shape. Or any other shape you can tell me which is round in shape? Sun. Sun is round in shape. The next shape is, look at the second picture. The next shape is triangular shape. Which is the next shape? Triangular shape. Have you seen the sandwich? Have you eaten it? Sandwich in which shape? Sandwich is in triangular shape. As the same way, you can do it by yourself. Just look at the pictures and name the similar things which are in the following shape. This question you have to do by yourself.
Again, we start page number 15, practice book, chapter number 4. Read these sentences and tick the correct polite words. As you know, polite words are thank you, please and sorry. Thank you we use for any gift or anything which somebody give us. And please we use for when we request for somebody to give anything or to take anything. Sorry we use when we are disabled to do anything. Means जब हम कोई चीज़ नहीं कर पाते हैं then we feel the sorry कि हमने ये काम नहीं किया, so please sorry. First sentence is I could not come to your birthday party. Means somebody is there who couldn't go to the anybody's birthday party. कोई बर्थडे पार्टी में नहीं जा सका. It means he or she will be disabled to do the same thing. Then we use, what we use? Thank you, please or sorry. What we use? We use sorry because we disabled to go in the birthday party. Second, can you lend me your pencil? क्या आप मुझे अपनी पेंसिल देंगे? In this sentence, we are requesting for somebody to give your pencil, and for requesting, we use the polite word, please. Third, for the wonderful gift. What? Thank you, sorry, or please. When somebody give us gift, what we say? Simply, we say thank you. So, thank you for the wonderful gift. Fourth, help me open this box. What will come? Please, thank you, or sorry. Somebody is requesting to help him to open the box, and for the requesting sentence, we use please. Please help me open this box. This is the right answer. Fifth, for the great dinner. For the great dinner, what will come? Thank you, sorry, or please. We are obliged for someone for the great dinner. Means कि हम किसी को great dinner के लिए thank you बोलना चाहते हैं. Then here come thank you for the great dinner. The right answer is thank you for the great dinner. Sixth, I broke the vase. Means I make a mistake. मैंने एक गलती की. I broke the vase. मैंने तोड़ दिया. So, we use sorry. Sorry. Whenever we do any mistake, then we will feel sorry. As I told you in the last class that whenever you will make a mistake, then feel the sorry to your parents. In the same way, I broke the vase. So, you have to feel sorry. Sorry, I broke the vase. That is the right answer. Now, come on the next page. The next page is page number 16, worksheet 2 of chapter number 4, practice book. This is understanding a poem. Read the poem and answer the questions. Poem is, first we read the poem. In the backyard of my house, I planted a tiny seed last year. With great delight, I saw the first leaves appear. Then fruits hung from every pod. I plucked them one by one, had them all with my friends, had great fun. You can read it 2 or 3 times. Now come on the questions. State whether these sentences are true or false. The poet planted a seed in front of the house. The poet planted a seed in front of the house. Is it true or false? You tell me. Just read the poem again. In the backyard of my house. It means backyard of house. And the sentence is front of the house. It means that is wrong. Second, the poet was happy to see the leaves come out. Now read the passage of poem. I planted tiny seed last year. With great delight, I saw the first leaves appear. Yes, the poet was happy to see the leaves. Then the answer is true. Third is the poet plucked the leaves. I plucked them one by one. It means answer is true. The poet had fruits with her friends. Had them all with my friends. It means answer is true. Okay. Now what you have to do? You have to read the poem 2-3 times and then solve this true false by your own. P part is draw and color your favorite fruit. As everybody have some favorite fruit now, you also have. Then what is you have your favorite fruit? You have to draw neat and clean and color it and then show me by click your phone. Okay. Thank you students. Our chapter 4 is finished.